Good morning, Hornets. It's a wonderful Wednesday here at VCHS. We're your hosts, Carter.
I'm Kayla. Let's start off with today's lunch. Today's lunch is biscuits and gravy, beef sticks, scrambled eggs, tri-taters, juice blend, banana, and a cold milk.
Let's take a look at today's holidays. Today we have All Saints Day, Anniversary of the Revolution, Antigua Independence Day, Calangaeaf, Coronation of His Majesty the King, and Hamilton Jackson Day.
Let's take a quick glance at the top 5 news stories of the day with Michaela.
Hi, my name is Michaela Barnes. I'm here with your top 5 news stories of the day. Number 1, Taco Bell employee accused of giving haircuts in restaurant's kitchen. Number 2, a New York City jewelry store customer got trapped in a vault overnight. Number 3, Sears just reopened a store in Burbank, California Mall. Number 4, rats in Manhattan subway seen sharing stolen food. Number 5, Louisville High School in Texas sets new world record for 290 square foot flower.
Next, here's Wednesday's word of the day.
This week's word of the week is rescind. Revoke, cancel, or repeal. Law, order, or agreement.
Hornets. Be sure to go to the fall band and choir concert this Thursday.
Hornets. There will be after-school conditioning from November 1st to the 3rd in the gym.
My perfect day would go like sleeping in all day.
That's so real. Let's see what some other students think.
Hi, I'm Brandon Kitzinger. Today we're asking Hornets how they would describe their perfect day. I'm here with
Adler Andrew Kuntz.
describe your perfect day.
Probably Sunday, and then like the Chiefs win, and then it's like to hang out, and like I have to like stress about like homework or something like that. So that's what it is.
Amen. I'm here with
Alec Winslow.
describe your perfect day.
My perfect day, I'll wake up at 12:03 in the afternoon, and I'll go get some breakfast, and I'll come to Brandon's house and we go fishing for a couple hours, and then, I don't know, we go on a little date or something.
Word. I'm here with
Ava,
describe your perfect day.
wake up late and have a lazy day at home.
That's it?
Yes.
Loser. Hi, I'm here with
Hobby,
perfect day.
fishing with my friend, and then sleeping for like the rest of the day.
Good.
What doesn't grind your gears? Let's see what some students have to say.
I'm Hayden, and something that doesn't grind my gears is sitting out at night when it's nice out and listening to music.
I'm Anna Perez.
I'm Gracie.
And
What doesn't grind our gears is playing Fortnite.
yeah, we play Fortnite.
And here's Quinn with today's weather.
Hi, I'm Quinn, and here's your weather for today. We've got a high of 54 degrees and a low of 33.
Now for a quick blast of the past, let's wrap up with this day in history. Stay classy, BC.
November 1st, 1765. The Stamp Act takes effect as Britain imposes a tax on its American colonists. They respond with stiff resistance, and Britain later repeals the act. But the episode sets the stage for the American Revolution a decade later. 1952. The United States explodes the first hydrogen bomb, codenamed Mike. The test takes place at the Eniwetok Atoll in the Marshall Islands in the South Pacific. 1512. At the Vatican, Michelangelo's paintings on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel are first shown to the public. 1954. In North Africa, Algerian nationalists begin their successful 8-year rebellion against French rule. And 1999.
Every offensive lineman that played for the Chicago Bears helped me get that 16,000 yards, and I thank them.
Walter Payton, the NFL's all-time leading rusher, dies of bile duct cancer in Barrington, Illinois. The former Chicago Bears running back was 45. Today in History, November 1st. James Limbach, The Associated Press.